since the introduction by Ian Goodfellow in 2014. Generative Adversarial Networks, that is GANs, have transformed data generation, enabling the creation of synthetic data sets that mimic real-world inputs with high accuracy. Comprising with a generator and a discriminator in constant competition, GANs refine outputs to near authentic quality, significantly advancing fields like computer vision, speech synthesis, and simulation modeling. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In computer vision, GANs produce photorealistic images for AI training, enhancing applications like facial recognition and autonomous driving. Innovations like Style GAN3 generate lifelike human faces, enriching datasets where diversity is essential. Similarly, speech synthesis benefits from GAN's ability to create natural-sounding voices, improving virtual assistants and accessibility solutions. Healthcare leverages GANs to produce synthetic medical images for AI model training, preserving patient privacy and aligning with data protection regulations. In finance, GANs simulate transaction data to bolster fraud detection systems without using sensitive information. Beyond privacy, GANs enable data augmentation, generating diverse scenarios, such as varying weather conditions for self-driving cars, to improve AI robustness. The gaming industry also employs GANs to create dynamic, procedurally generated environments, enhancing user experiences. Despite their potential, GANs face challenges like high computational demands and unstable training, which can result in limited output diversity. Ethical concerns, notably deepfake misuse, call for stricter oversight. However, improvements like Wasserstein GANs and conditional GANs are addressing these issues, ensuring more stable and controlled outputs. Ultimately, GANs are pivotal in solving data scarcity, enhancing AI capabilities while balancing innovation with ethical considerations. Let's look into today's headlines. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India releases draft manual for property rating on digital connectivity. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has released a draft manual to guide digital connectivity rating agencies in accessing properties under the Rating of Properties for Digital Connectivity Regulations 2024, first introduced in October last year. The manual aims to standardize the evaluation methodology, ensuring uniform and transparent property ratings based on digital infrastructure. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has invited stakeholders' feedback on the draft, with the deadline for submitting comments set for June 2nd of 2025. India approves HCL Foxconn semiconductor plant in UP with Rs 3,700 crore investment. The Indian government has approved the 6th semiconductor unit under the India Semiconductor Mission, Rs 3,706 crore chip plant by HCL and Foxconn near Jewar Airport in Uttar Pradesh. The facility will manufacture display drive chips used in smartphones, laptops, vehicles, and smart devices, with a monthly capacity of 20,000 wafers and 36 million chips. Located in the YEIDA region, the project is expected to create 2,000 jobs and boost India's display tech ecosystem, supporting the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and global semiconductor ambitions. Vodafone Idea rolls out 5G services in Delhi NCR using Ericsson's advanced radio technology. Vodafone Idea has launched its 5G network in Delhi NCR, powered by Ericsson's cutting-edge radio technology. As part of a broader infrastructure upgrade, Ericsson replaced Vodafone Idea's legacy 2G and 4G equipment with modern massive MIMO radios, that is AIR 3268 and AIR 3255, without any service disruption. These upgrades aim to boost spectrum efficiency and reduce energy usage. This rollout follows Vodafone Idea's October 2024 deal with Ericsson to modernize 4G and deploy 5G across Delhi, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan. Apple planning thought-controlled devices in collaboration with Synchron. Apple is working with US-based startup Synchron to develop a brain-computer interface that allows users to control iPhones, iPads, and Vision Pro using their thoughts. Unlike Elon Musk's Neuralink, which requires invasive brain surgery, Synchron's stent rod device is implanted via a vein near the motor cortex. It reads brain signals and integrates with Apple's accessibility features like switch control. The initiative, aimed at helping users with severe motor impairments, has already enabled an ALS patient to navigate devices and experience virtual reality. Android 16 boosts scam protection with AI and call-based restrictions. Google has unveiled new security features in Android 16 aimed at protecting users from phone call scams. Announced at the Android Show I/O edition, the update introduces on-device AI to detect potential scams and restricts sensitive actions during calls with unknown contacts. These include blocking first-time app sideloading via browsers, messaging apps, or file sharing tools while on a call. Additional safeguards also prevent unauthorized access to banking apps during screen sharing, strengthening Android's defense against common scam tactics and enhancing overall user privacy and security. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.